The detainees who were arrested on charges of having links with the LTTE staged a hunger strike demanding officials to secure their release.
The detainees who were arrested on suspicion of associating with the LTTE commenced their hunger strike this afternoon. Commissioner General of Prisons Rohana Pushpakumara noted that the hunger strike is being carried out by detainees from the Anuradhapura prison and the Colombo Magazine prison.
Officials had failed to file charges under any criminal offence against detainees who are being imprisoned for close to 5 years. They have been detained under mere suspicion that they may have been associated with the LTTE. The police have carried out investigations into this suspicion, right? However, the police have failed to file indictments against these suspects or even present evidence in this regard.
ඉදිරිපත් කරන්න මෙතෙක් කාලයක් පොලිසියට බැරි වෙලා තියෙනවා.
Meanwhile, the Commissioner General of Prisons held discussions with the detainees who staged a hunger strike at the Colombo Magazine prison today.
උන් සමග කිසි ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. උන් මේ වර්ජනය කරන්නේ ආහාර වර්ජනය කරන්නේ අපේ දෙපාර්තමේන්තුවේ තියෙන පරිපාලනයට විරුද්ධව නෙමෙයි.
We do not have any issue with them. They are not protesting against the administration of our department. They had written a letter to the President in May appealing for their release. They are staging this hunger strike in order to send a message to the government once again. They are urging that they be released as they have only committed minor offences as opposed to the ones who have committed major offences who have already been released.
දුන අය එළියේ ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් අපිටත් ඒ විදිහට සලකලා නිදහස දෙන්න කියන එක තමයි ඔවුන් කියන්නේ.
201 suspects, including 4 women, are being detained in prisons located in several parts of the island under charges of associating with the LTTE. Adding that 40 suspects have been issued with court orders citing punitive measures, the Commissioner General of Prisons noted that indictments are yet to be filed against 161 suspects. Colombo Magazine prison has detained 101 prisoners, while the Anuradhapura prison has detained 30 prisoners. Few suspects are also being detained in Walikada, Bogambara, Trincomalee, Kalutara, Batticaloa, Badulla, Galle, Jaffna, Polonnaruwa and the Monoragla prisons. Chief Minister of the Northern Province, C.V. Vigneshwaran, had written to the President requesting the release of these detainees. The Chief Minister of the Northern Province had mentioned in his letter to the President that the suspects have been detained for a prolonged period of time. The Chief Minister also states that a list be prepared of the prisoners, categorizing them according to the offences in respect of which they have been taken into custody. Chief Minister of the Northern Province, C.V. Vigneshwaran, goes on to note that all detainees who are suspected of committing minor offences could be provided a general pardon or at the very least be released on bail immediately.
සිර දඬුවම් විඳින පුජ්‍යලයකට පොදු සමාවත් දීමේ බලය අතිගරු ජනාධිපතිතුමාට විතරමයි තියෙන්නේ.
Only the President is vested with the power of granting a pardon. A decision pertaining to the ones who already have pending cases could only be taken following consultation with experts in the legal field. This does not come under the purview of the Department of Prisons. A suitable decision should be taken by the Ministry of Justice together with legal organizations. Since they have been imprisoned as suspects by the courts, it is a responsibility of our department to protect.
දැනට බන්ධනාගාර ගත කර ඇති නිසා ඔවුන්ව බලා ගැනීම තමයි අපේ දෙපාර්තමේන්තුවේ රාජකාරිය.
There was a major incident concerning prisoners today. 20 years after, individuals who went to prison in their youth are now old. We cannot even imagine the trauma and agony these people are going through. Individuals who have been charged with murder and other criminal activities are seated in Parliament today. A general amnesty was granted to individuals who were charged with major offences after the Sri Lanka Indoor Accord. It's been 6 years following the end of the conflict. We are saying there are political prisoners and the government is denying it. The Justice Minister had said that there are no political prisoners, but only those who have been accused of wrongdoings are in prison. This statement cannot be accepted. I know attorney at law Rajapaksa well. He is a good lawyer and appeared for several cases. However, the statement that he made is politically motivated. If you speak to a political prisoner, he will tell you all about it. Some are in prison based on suspicion. Why are they not being granted bail?
இவர்களுக்கு ஏன் பிணை அளிக்காமல் இருக்கின்றோம்?